Hey everyone! Today's video I just wanted to show you our new home office. I am obviously in the old office right now, which is full of random stuff we haven't moved. But my husband and I realized that this room just was not big enough. So, we realized we had this finished basement that we were just kind of throwing overflow stuff, just using it as storage. But there's so much room down there. So we figured might as well move the office downstairs, because we did kind of plan on wanting to do like a family room type thing down there. So it's kind of like half family room, half office now. And it's been working great. It does have this like self-stick vinyl tile down right now, so it does get pretty cold. But we do have these cheapo rugs down there for now, just to help a little bit. We do have to get the roof done this year, so our next big project hopefully will be fully carpeting the basement, as well as doing a more permanent desk area, like sort of like a continuous countertop. We're not really sure, but we definitely do want to do something better than what we have. We just basically took our old desks from IKEA. They're super cheap, but they work great. We just use what we have. It's a bit of a mix of different types of furniture down there, but there's so much more room, it's so much more open, and it just works really well. The only thing I do miss is the sunlight, but that's alright. So anyway, let me go show you. Okay, so at the bottom of the stairs, just ignore that because that's garbage. And that's Chewy. Hi, Chewy. Hey, bud. Anyway, so down at the bottom of the steps, I have this old shelf unit. It is pretty old and it is kind of rickety, but for now it works really well. What I have here is all the stuff that I used to store in the office closet upstairs, which was always a constant mess. It's still not perfect, but it's kind of like an organized chaos, so it's working for now. We do plan on hopefully trying to get this whole thing in frame, trying to get one or two of those like standalone closets that you can get at like IKEA or Home Depot, that we have shelves in where I could put all of this stuff in there, so it's behind doors and it's a little neater. But yeah, I have like all my supplies that I cannot fit near my desk, that I don't use as frequently, like ribbons and strings. I do have to label these. Wow, this is like horrible quality. My paints, I have miscellaneous stuff in there, drawing stuff, clay, just all sorts of stuff. And then I just have this with extra packaging and whatnot. But yeah, that still needs a little bit of work. I have these drawer bins there. I got these because I plan on doing more organization stuff. Just overflow here. But yeah, for now, that is my overflow crafting stuff. And then when we turn to the left here, it's a little living room area. I am obsessed with this. It looks so much better than it did. We just have a very old rug here. We do plan on fully carpeting everything at some point as soon as we can afford it, but for now it's just our old area rug and then an old couch. And originally the previous owner had the TV here, because what he did in this area was have this huge bar, which it was just a waste of space for us. We do plan on maybe doing a little bar elsewhere here, but so that's why there's like drywall there, and we just kind of put stuff up there for now. We're going to put more shelves up and cover it up somehow, but we decided to put the TV over here just because it really did open the space up originally. Let me back up here. Originally we had the couch like this, and it kind of closed off that area a little bit, and it just made it look so much smaller. But my husband suggested, why don't we just flip the couch that way and just move the TV? It's not that big of a deal, and I think it looks great. So yeah, we just have it on a little table here for now. Eventually we will get a better TV stand. And all our geeky stuff on these shelves. And my dogs are barking. All the pop figures. These are actually really cool. Metal posters from displate.com. I'm gonna link down below to them because they're freaking awesome. And just more stuff. And then we come around here. Okay, so please please ignore that area because that's like overflow stuff. We do plan on hopefully like putting a little bar there with a mini fridge and whatnot, but that's kind of like the overflow area, so please ignore that. Anyway, coming around here is the office space, which is laid out so much better. Like, we have so much room. We're not like, you know, moving our chairs into each other or anything. This is just perfect. And my little crafting area, I just freaking love it. It's still a little small, but you know what, it's enough space for me. Especially because I can put my paints up here. This rolling tray that I got from Michael's is just amazing. But this was actually the table that I originally used back in the apartment when I first started this channel, and I think it's an old IKEA table. Not really sure, but it had two surfaces. We took the other side off, but this actually just folds down. But I decided to leave it up because that gives me more storage space underneath here, as you can see. And then we bought these little cubbies at Home Depot, which houses the rest of my stuff. My computer tower, my computer, which is actually not really much of a mess right now, which is amazing. But yeah, and then the dog beds are over there. We are gonna get a better like thin table of some sort to put my Cricut and the printer on. That's my typewriter there. I have no idea what to do with it. But yeah, this is our office 1.0. Like I said, we are going to be taking up these tiles here and hopefully putting down carpet eventually, but right now we just have this cheapo rug, which works fine. It is a little cold down here, but we do have this space heater, which actually it's amazing. It works really, really well and warms up the entire downstairs here. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I have been up to. And of course, once we redo everything, I will do a office tour 2.0. And so yeah, thanks for tuning in, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye!